We're doing a quick and easy recipe today on do you like beans? I like beans. I like the poem. Beans, beans, good for the heart. The more you eat, so what I have here is a 1 pound bag of pinto beans. This is easy. If you've never tried this in the Instant Pot, watch. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by rinsing your beans in the sink, which I've already done. Then you're going to add 1 box of stock. I don't care if it's chicken stock, turkey stock, pork stock, beef stock, or veggie stock. If you want to do these vegetarian, veggie stock it is. This is chicken stock. Put the whole box in. It's kind of fun to do the squishy with it. There it goes. All right. Then we're going to add an extra cup of water. And we could stop right there. There's your beans. All you have to do is put it on high pressure for an hour and 20 minutes. Let it come to a natural release, meaning once it goes up to pressure and times out, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Once the pin drops on your lid, beans. But imagine, if you will, you had a ham bone left over from, say, Easter. Watch this. I'll be right back. You're looking at me? I'll be right over here. I promise. I'll be right back. I'm back. So if we take this here ham bone, which still has a lot of ham on it, because I don't like the spiral cut. I like the regular. We're going to take that and we're just going to plop it in there just like that. That's all there is. Just plop it in. You put the lid on it. Make sure it's on seal. Go over here. Put it on pressure and bring it up to 120. And that's it. It's on 120. Leave it alone. Once it beeps and says that it's cooking, leave it alone. Once the pressure releases, open the lid. It's dinner time. I'll be back probably in about 3 hours. But to you it'll be like, but I'll be back in 3 hours. So here we go. They're done. Let's check this out. I gotta let a little pressure out. There we go. There. Yeah, let's take a look. Steamy. Beanie, weenie, steamy. No weenies, just beanies. And that big old thing of ham I put in there. But hey, if I had some of these extras, I could make like a beanstalk. Yep. Just remember, all you need is a bag of beans and a box of chicken stock or stock and an extra cup of water and some thyme. And you can have a pot of beans. Beans, beans, good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you don't get invited to parties. So, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. And click on my little face. And we'll see you the next time I decided to do something like this. See ya. Beans good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel. So eat some beans with every meal. Bad song. Bad song.